Hello everyone, I am Monica and I would like to thank to Deepak sir because of you I can speak in English. I would like to share my experience about Fluenta Institute. Once upon a time I was using my phone and searching English videos on YouTube. You all know that English language is very important. But that time I didn't speak in English. Suddenly I saw one English video on Deepak sir channel. I liked his style of teaching and I comment on his videos that I want to learn English. After that I took first class of Fluenta Institute on Google Meet. I was getting very nervous because I was not be able to speak in English. But after some two classes I saw that his way of teaching is very nice. Deepak sir is too good. I felt some improvement in myself. I used to think I will never be speaking English, but now I think it's a piece cake for me because of you, sir. His way of teaching is very nice, and thanks a million, sir. And one thing I tell you, if you want to learn English, you can join Fluenta Institute. And thanks a lot, Deepak sir, for me a golden opportunity. Thank you.